Every rainy season, we blame our institutions for the flooding in Lagos. But the truth is,
An empirical study of the causes of flooding in Lagos shows that citizens contribute 85% of the causes.
Flooding in Lagos is not only about the rain, it is about our actions.
Look closely. Our drains, meant to carry stormwater safely to the sea, are clogged with the waste we discard without thought.
Plastic sachets, old tires, food wrappers, we treat our streets like dumping grounds.
And when the rains come, there's nowhere for the water to go, except into our homes, schools, and markets.
We have also paved over nature's own flood defenses. Wetlands and mangroves once absorbed floodwaters like giant sponges.
Lagos doesn't have to drown in its own growth. The solution starts with us, with every choice we make.